This PicassoTiles magnetic rocket building set was a gift for my son's 4th birthday from a friend, and it ended up being one of his favorite presents. He's really into space, so anything with rockets immediately gets him excited, and he couldn't wait to start building this one. What I love about the set is how hands-on it is. The magnetic pieces make it easy for little hands to build the rocket over and over without frustration. He also loves using his creativity to make his own designs, and I love that the set works with our other magnetic tiles so we can build even bigger creations together. It's a great STEM toy without feeling overly educational. While he's playing, he's naturally working on problem solving, fine motor skills, and spatial awareness. The pieces all feel sturdy and well made, and the magnets are strong and hold everything together well during play. This has been such a fun, creative toy for a space-loving preschooler. If you're looking for a thoughtful birthday gift that encourages imagination and building skills, this rocket set is a great choice.